doll, and these are my friends Jellybean and Soccer.
Hi, I'm Jellybean the doll.
Hi, I'm Soccer the doll.
And welcome to Jolie and Friends. Today on Jolie and Friends, we are going to learn about hobbies. Do you know what a hobby is?
A hobby is an activity that people do to create things.
And it's a thing that people do for their enjoyment and relaxation.
That's right. It's an activity that people do to be creative for their enjoyment and for relaxation. And what's best is that it helps you gain skills and knowledge and can make you feel relaxed about yourself. Do you know what hobbies you have?
Our hobbies are reading books,
Playing sports.
painting a picture,
Collecting things.
cooking,
Baking.
sewing,
Knitting and crocheting.
crafting things,
Filmmaking.
taking pictures,
Dancing.
singing,
Playing musical instruments.
drawing,
Writing stories.
gardening,
Embroidering.
sculpting and pottery,
Origami.
digital art making.
And much more. There are so many hobbies that you can do, and you might even favorite one of them. Do you know your hobbies?
Yes, we do.
For we know our hobbies.
But there are some hobbies that is not really a hobby.
And worst is that it might be hurtful.
Always pick a hobby that is better.
So that you can stay safe.
What did you learn today?